Hey guys, Raymond here. Hey, today we're going to talk about my 7th Street Wasco property. This is an investment property for all you investors out there who want to buy a great property. This investment is amazing, and you know, with the rising interest rates and everything, and some folks are not able to do their purchase, it makes a great opportunity for investments, for rentals, and especially in the Central Valley of California, here in Wasco. I've got this listing. You know, the rents are on the rise, and people are, you know, they're housing shortage across America, actually, and California, and believe it or not, Wasco, California is where this listing is, and this is fully rented. The renters and the leases have been here for a while, and we just raised the rent in June to keep up with the market rates and the rents, and especially with the job market as promising as it is. And you know, there's through this whole COVID thing, and people just can't keep good employees, and so these folks obviously have jobs. They pay their rent on time. It's a great investment, especially in Bakersfield. You know, we have the Amazon big company, and obviously, you know, other employment agencies are just scrambling to try to find people because they just don't have enough. And that is another opportunity to in the future of rents to increase and have a sustainable property that's going to last you for a long time. So I'm excited to show you what this property has to offer. Hey, subscribe to my channel, leave me a comment below, and I will see you on the next one.